So when you want to shop for a specific recipe, it's as easy as asking Sarah. So the first thing you'll want to do is bring up Sarah and talk to text. Recipe AHP005. So you'll identify recipe and then the AHP number required, and she'll come back with the recipe that we're looking for. So once you click it, the recipe card will load. You'll be able to see a photo, a description, nutrition information, macronutrient breakdown, cooking time, ingredients, pantry items, and tools. So when you decide that's the recipe you want to shop for, you're going to click the shop button and then decide how you'd like to shop. So we're going to go ahead and add this to our shopping list. Decide how many portions, any pantry items required. So we'll add some Kerrygold butter. And then we'll be able to view our shopping list. And once we get to the store and are ready to shop, you just go ahead and click on each item as you shop, and it crosses them off. And you can clear checked items or clear the entire list.